So James, just around here, you have two different muscles. You have one called the Tibialis Anterior, which helps to bring your foot in and then pull it up, and it gets a bit of tension around here. Another one called the Peroneus Longus, which helps to turn the foot the other way and point it down. Now, usually the peroneus gets tight, and we can usually basically stretch and lengthen it out, help it to release a bit if we strengthen the tibialis anterior. So if we strengthen this, it should help to stretch that, and it should help to relieve a little bit of tension just underneath and around here, which will hopefully sort it out. And it's also going to help to strengthen the arches in your foot a bit better. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your leg elevated, something about twice the size of the skateboard. So like a couple of towels, some bog roll or something like that. Something that's going to take your foot to be about anything between about 5 and 8 inches off the floor. Then once you've got all that sorted, you want to get a band. You want to tie a knot underneath one end of it and loop it underneath your door and bring it around your foot. And then we're going to want to do a little twisty loop and wrap this around the foot. Ta-da! Just like so. So that it's closer to around the base of your foot, then up towards the top there. All we're going to do is we're going to turn the foot towards the inside. You want to try and keep the shin straight, but we're going to turn that foot towards the inside and then lift your toes up. Oh, sorry, no. We're going to turn the foot towards the inside. We're going to flex your toes down, so like squeeze your toes over. And then we're going to pull this your whole foot up, so flexing it back and forth like so. We want to take about 2 seconds, bringing it up to the peak contraction. 4-second hold, 2 seconds down. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. We want to do this for a few sets of anything between about 10 and 20 repetitions. I'd say like 2 sets of 10 to 20 repetitions if you do these first thing in the morning or just a couple of times a week, i.e. before our training routines. This should help to make a bit of a difference towards the sensation that we've got going on underneath your knee. I've started off with the red band for this one. I did do a set before this for about 15 repetitions and it gave me a decent shin pump, but it's not super hard. You'll probably be able to start off with a stronger band. But I'd give one set of like 10 to 20 reps with this first, and then if it feels easy enough and you're not getting too much pain around here, try a stronger band, because really we want to try and get a little bit of a kind of lactic acid type burn going on around here. So yeah, foot health, boom.